Hello kids. G is for. Let's learn G words. Look carefully and guess the word. It is a cute small animal. What is this? Guinea pig. Can you say it? Guinea pig. G is for guinea pig. It is a sweet fruit. What is this? Grapes. Can you say it? Grapes. G is for grapes. It is a farm animal. What is this? Goat. Can you say it? Goat. G is for goat. It is a tall animal with a long neck. What is this? Giraffe. Can you say it? Giraffe. G is for giraffe. It is used to play music. What is this? Guitar. Can you say it? Guitar. G is for guitar. It is a bird that honks. What is this? Goose. Can you say it? Goose. G is for goose. It is a precious yellow metal. What is this? Gold. Can you say it? Gold. G is for gold. It shines in the sky. What is this? Galaxy. Can you say it? Galaxy. G is for galaxy. It is a beautiful green place. What is this? Garden. Can you say it? Garden. G is for garden. You can wear it on your hands. What is this? Gloves. Can you say it? Gloves. G is for gloves. It is a big vehicle. What is this? Garbage truck. Can you say it? Garbage truck. G is for garbage truck. It is a musical instrument. What is this? Gong. Can you say it? Gong. G is for gong. It is used in gardening. What is this? Garden tool. Can you say it? Garden tool. G is for garden tool. It is a jumping insect. What is this? Grasshopper. Can you say it? Grasshopper. G is for grasshopper. It is used in school. What is this? Glue. Can you say it? Glue. G is for glue. It is a jungle animal. What is this? Gorilla. Can you say it? Gorilla. G is for gorilla. It is a shiny stone. What is this? Gem. Can you say it? Gem. G is for gem. It is a color. What is this? Green. Can you say it? Green. G is for green. It is a young female person. What is this? Girl. Can you say it? Girl. G is for girl. Great job! You learned so many new words today. Want to learn more fun words? Subscribe our channel for next video on letter H.